Sizing a wheelchair ramp often leads to standing on a porch with a tape measure, trying to visualize angles without getting lost in complicated trigonometry. This diagram breaks the problem down into two parts: the vertical rise, which is your porch height, and the horizontal run. To guarantee an ADA-compliant slope, that run has to stretch to a specific length based entirely on your vertical rise. Instead of doing the manual math to find that length, we can use the MiniWebtool slope and grade calculator to handle the logic for us. Getting these exact dimensions locked in before you buy materials or break ground ensures you build it right the first time, avoiding building code violations and forced teardowns. Step 1 is to open the MiniWebtool site, navigate to the Construction and DIY Calculator section, and select the Slope and Grade Calculator. At the very top of the page, direct your attention to the Calculation Mode interface. Since you already know your porch height and you know the legal slope percentage you need to hit, your only missing variable is the horizontal run. This interface highlights the exact setting you need. Click the option labeled Slope Percentage and Rise to Run to set the calculator to solve for horizontal distance. Choosing this specific mode forces the tool to work backward from a strict safety standard to give you the physical footprint required. Next, locate the application menu and select the Ramp/ADA button. This preset tells the calculator to check your final numbers against official Americans with Disabilities Act building codes. Look at the units dropdown shown here, and make sure to change the selection to inches so it perfectly matches the readings on your tape measure. Be careful here. The most common error in this process is leaving the calculator set to feet while typing in inch measurements. That simple unit mix-up will drastically distort your project scale, taking a standard 24-inch residential porch calculation and outputting the exact dimensions for a 2-story industrial infrastructure project. Now navigate to the slope percentage input field. Type in 8.33%. This diagram illustrates what that 8.33% means in construction. It is the maximum allowable ADA steepness limit, meaning exactly 1 inch of vertical rise requires exactly 12 inches of horizontal run. With that limit set, drop down to the Rise input field. Type in your exact custom porch height. For our example, we will enter 24 inches. Take a quick second to review those inputs, 8.33% and 24 inches, against your physical notes before moving forward. By pitting the maximum legal steepness against your unchangeable porch height, the calculator now has exactly what it needs to reveal your minimum safe footprint. Hit the Calculate button. The results pane shows us the exact required run. A 24-inch rise yields exactly 288 inches, or 24 feet, of necessary horizontal space. To verify that number, scroll down to the Visual Steepness gauge located beneath the raw calculations. This section displays your slope line diagram. Look specifically for the green check mark to confirm your design is legally compliant. You can now use this specific generated pane as a mathematical blueprint for your build, and as the structural proof you need to pass your local building inspector's review. Looking at this finished ramp, you see the result of doing the math correctly. You now possess the exact verified dimensions required to build safely. You can take that final 288-inch dimension straight to the hardware store to purchase exact lumber quantities and use it immediately to stake out your physical yard footprint. And this logic applies across the board. You can use the exact same tool to calculate the strict 1 to 2% downward pitch required for burying yard drainage pipes. You can also use it to verify standard 6 and 12 roof pitch ratios, or check your steep residential driveway against local fire code maximums. Mastering this calculator shifts your process away from guesswork, allowing you to execute any inclined construction project with verified, professional accuracy.